Okay, to remove an Omni boiling valve, Phillips head screwdriver, spanner that comes with the valve, and 2 Allen keys. If you have a grub screw attached at the bottom, use the Allen key to loosen the grub screw and remove that. Peel the cap off the end of the boiling handle to expose the screw, remove the Phillips head screw, and the handle will come off. Because you've loosened the grub screw, the spring cartridge will just come out, exposing the plate that holds the boiling valve in. Before doing all this, cool the tank down, purge some of the water, and turn the water supply off so that you get no boiling or filtered. Use the box spanner that's sent with the valve onto the plate, undo the plate, and the valve will come out. You have a nylon retainer, the plate, and the valve. So you take the new nylon, put the nylon in, take the valve and locate the 2 lugs into the holes at the bottom, and then put everything back in reverse. Once the plate's back in and secure, pop the spring cartridge back in. It has 2 locating lugs and 1 for the grub screw pointing downwards. Push that into place. You can then pop the grub screw back in at the bottom, take your handle, place it on, put the Phillips head screw back in and the cap back on, and that'll give you your boiling valve replaced.